Some specific operation steps of PCBA patch processing process. First, make SMT production process documents according to the customer's Gerber file and BOM list. Generate SMT coordinates. Check whether all production materials are ready. Make a complete set of orders. Determine the PMC plan for production. Then conduct SMT programming. Make the first piece and check to ensure that it is correct. Laser steel mesh is made according to SMT process and solder paste printing is carried out to ensure that the solder paste after printing is of uniform thickness and good consistency. Then, after speed test, the components are pasted onto the circuit board through SMT mounter. Perfect ray flow furnace temperature curve is set so that the circuit board flows through ray flow welding and the solder paste is transformed from paste liquid to solid state. After cooling, good welding is achieved. And then the necessary IPQC inspection. Dip plug-in process. Plug in material through the circuit board. And then through wave soldering for welding, as well as the necessary post-furnace process, such as pin cutting, post-welding, board cleaning, etc. And finally a full QA inspection to ensure quality.